Hey, I'm going to show you a ridiculously fast way to turn any YouTube video into TikToks without re-recording or spending hours manually reformatting your content. Short-form vertical content is still king, and if you already make a ton of long videos for YouTube, you don't need to start from scratch to get traction. There are a bunch of apps out there, but I want to walk you through exactly how I use Vizard to get ready to post clips that handle the heavy lifting for me. It's basically one seamless flow that gets you ready to post content and even handles scheduling so you don't have to babysit your uploads every single day. If you haven't used Vizard before, just head over to their web app and look for the AI clips or auto-edit option right from your main dashboard. Simply paste the URL of any YouTube video you want to repurpose and watch the magic happen in real time. Vizard is built for long-form content, so you can drop in anything from vlogs and tutorials to panel interviews or webinars without worry. The AI will scan the entire file and hunt for those specific moments that are actually watchable and engaging on TikTok, ignoring all the filler. Once you confirm, the platform pulls in a preview and analyzes everything from audio cues to visual pacing to find the best highlights. Depending on how long your source is, this might take a minute, but the best part is that you don't need to babysit the process at all. You'll get a notification when your clips are ready, and then you can jump right back into the review process. When the highlights are done, you'll see a series of short clips where the AI has already cropped the video to vertical and added automatic captions. The AI is really smart about picking punchy moments, but the best part is that you still retain full control over the final product. You can tap into any clip to trim it down further by simply dragging the handles on the timeline until it feels just right. If you want to remove a specific section, just untick the clip and it won't be included in your final export. You can tighten up the pacing, add B-roll, or throw in a call to action seamlessly within their editor. The interface is super lightweight and made specifically for creators who want total control without spending hours on a 30-second piece. While other apps exist, many have weaknesses like locking features behind expensive plans or failing to convert landscape video cleanly. That's where Vizard really stands out because it saves every clip as its own project and plugs directly into your scheduling workflow. Once your clips are set, you can polish them up and add or tweak captions so the text reads perfectly on mobile devices. You can also swap music tracks from the built-in library, tweak levels, and add quick visual cuts if you need to freshen things up. Want multiple versions of the same clip, like a short 15-second tease and a longer minute-long cut? Just duplicate the project and trim it differently, which is absolutely huge for testing what actually performs best with your audience. The flow is a major time saver because after you finish editing, you can either export immediately or use the auto schedule feature. If you pick auto schedule, you just set how often you want clips posted, and the AI will queue them up to maintain your posting cadence. No more manually uploading one clip at a time or trying to remember which days you were supposed to post to your channels. The content calendar is a total flex because it shows everything you've scheduled and lets you drag and drop clips to new dates easily. If you are running multiple channels, you can manage them in one place, choosing which platform to push to while the AI formats the export. It handles aspect ratios and platform-specific optimizations, so your content always looks native rather than feeling like a one-size-fits-all edit. Some tools force you to leave the app to schedule or produce robotic cuts that miss the most important punchlines. Vizard's AI leans on speaking energy and natural language cues to surface moments that are truly likely to resonate with viewers. That means you spend less time guessing which parts to keep and more time refining the clips that already show real promise. Another real-world advantage is that Vizard keeps your entire workflow organized with every extracted clip acting as its own mini project. You don't have to re-import the whole video or rerun the extraction every time you want to revisit a clip or tweak a caption. My first pro tip is to start with your best long-form uploads like interviews and tutorials, because those are total gold mines for short clips. Secondly, use that duplicate and trim trick I mentioned to make several versions for A/B testing your content styles. Third, let the auto captions be your starting point, but always spend a minute skimming and smoothing them out for better readability. And finally, use the content calendar to build a consistent posting habit, because frequency beats perfection almost every time. So yeah, that's the simplest way I turn YouTube videos into TikToks, using Vizard to keep my pipeline full without burning out. If you want to see more deep dives, I've got playlists breaking down advanced editing tricks and thumbnail strategies coming up next. Check those out, and remember that repurposing content really doesn't have to be a grind if you have the right tools. Try Vizard, let a few clips ride on a schedule, and pay attention to which ones get saved so you can refine your future edits. Alright, if this walkthrough was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.